Unraveling the mystery. Common gender nouns in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating part of the English language, common gender nouns. These are unique nouns that can refer to both males and females. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and use common gender nouns confidently in your daily conversations. So let's jump right in. In English, we often encounter nouns that can refer to either a male or a female. We call these common gender nouns. These words don't specify the gender of the person or animal they're referring to. Some examples include friend, teacher, doctor, and cat. These nouns could refer to either a male or female friend, teacher, doctor, or cat. When we use common gender nouns, the context often helps us determine the gender. For instance, if I say, "My doctor told me to get more rest," you don't know if the doctor is male or female just by that sentence. However, if I add, "She said I've been working too hard," now you know the doctor is a woman. So, the gender isn't determined by the noun itself but by the other information provided. It's essential to distinguish between common gender nouns and gender-specific nouns. A gender-specific noun refers explicitly to a male or female. For example, brother refers to a male sibling, and sister refers to a female sibling. On the other hand, the common gender noun, sibling, could refer to either a brother or a sister. Let's practice using common gender nouns. Remember, context is key. For example, try to create sentences using the common gender noun, student, where it's clear from the context whether you're talking about a male or female student. It's through practice that you'll become more comfortable using these nouns. We've now unraveled the mystery of common gender nouns. These nouns are incredibly useful and versatile, allowing us to talk about people and animals without specifying their gender. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use common gender nouns in your daily English conversations. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, keep up the great work on your journey to mastering English.